Welcome to the third episode of Becoming Scratch Master. In the last episode, we controlled the Scratch Cat with the arrow keys and made a cool background. This time, we're going to make the player respawn when they hit the maze, add sound effects, and you're going to make your very own player sprite. Let's start with making the player. Click the Costumes tab on the Scratch Sprite, and if you haven't already, delete the second costume. Select the Scratch Cat to delete it, and now we can start. Click the square tool and drag while holding the shift key to ensure making a perfect square. This will be the body of the player. Select a color you like, then click the mouse tool with a circle on the tip. This is called the reshape tool. This allows us to move the edges of the square. Select the square and add points by clicking, the way I'm doing on screen. Then select the points in the corners and delete them. Now we have a nice rounded square. Give the player a black outline to make it pop. Next, select the circle tool and make an oval on the bottom of the player, just like this. Send it to the back and change the color to a light gray. This will act as a shadow of the player. Duplicate the player by pressing the copy and paste buttons and make it smaller. Change the color to white and make the outline smaller as well. Make a second one and make it bigger if you like. These will be the eyes of the player. Add any other details you like, such as a mouth, a cape, maybe even a suit. I'm gonna leave it like this for now, but feel free to make any changes you like. Go back to the code tab and adjust the size of the player if necessary. Make another forever loop. When green flag clicked, forever, then drag an if block inside the loop. Go to the sensing section and drag out the touching color block and place it in between the words if and then. Change the color to the color of your maze by clicking the color selector. Finally, place a go to block in the loop and change the values to make it go to start. Use the same numbers that you did in the other script, which makes your player go to the start of the game at the beginning. Click the green flag and run into the wall. It should now make you go back to the beginning. Now let's add the sound effects. Go to the Sounds tab and click Add a new sound. Click on Loops and select one of these. I'm gonna pick a Elec piano loop. Now back in the Code tab, go to the Sound section and drag out the Play Sound Until Done block and place it in a new forever loop. Hit the green flag and now you've got yourself some background music. Now for a collision sound effect, add another new sound named bonk, then just place the play sound until done block after the respawn code. Make sure the correct sound is selected here. This is working great. In the next episode, we'll finish up the game by adding stars for the player to collect its points, adding a score counter, and making a finish. Subscribe for more. Until next time, GeekAsteroid out.